Hello friends and my dear students, welcome back to my channel Phoenix Physics. In our previous class we discussed about parallax method. Today we are going to learn radar method. Radar is an acronym for radio detection and ranging. It is used to measure the distance of a nearby planet such as Mars. It is used to determine the height of the aircraft from the ground. Okay. So this is our radar system. It is basically an electromagnetic system used to measure distance of an object and locate the object. Why I am saying electromagnetic system? Here I am using radio waves to transmit. You know very well, radio wave is one of the electromagnetic waves. What is the special characteristic of electromagnetic waves? Electromagnetic waves travels with the speed of light. C is equal to 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. So here this radar system consists of a transmitter. It transmits electromagnetic signal, that is our radio waves, into space in all the direction. When the signal strikes any object, it gets reflected. This reflected or echo signal is received by the radar antenna, which is delivered to the receiver on the radar. From that we can find the position of the object. How to determine the range? The range is determined by, what is range? Range is nothing but distance. The range is determined by the time taken by the signal to reach the target and return back from the original position. You know the formula, speed is equal to distance travelled by time taken. Right. I am going to measure the distance. So bring this distance here. So distance is nothing but speed into time. Distance is d, speed is equal to v, and the time is t. But I am writing the distance is 2d. Why? Because the signal is transmitted from the radar antenna to the object. So it travels a distance d. After hitting the target, it reflected to the antenna. So it travels a distance d. So totally 2d. 2d is equal to v into t. So what is d? V into t divided by 2. So using this formula, you can calculate the distance, that is where the object is located. Okay, up to this clear. And this radar is used in military system to detect aircraft or missile. It is used to guide the aircraft to land in the bad weather. It can also be used by the policemen to determine the speed of the vehicle. Have seen the speed gun while traveling on the highways, right? So the speed gun based on this radar principle. In your book, one example problem is given. A radar signal is beamed towards the planet and its echo is received 7 minutes later. If the distance between the planet and the earth is 6.3 into 10 to the power of 10 meter, calculate the speed of the signal. Okay. Here what is given? The time is given. T is equal to 7 minutes. What is the unit for SI unit for time? Time is second. So you have to convert this minutes into second. 1 minute has 60 seconds. You just multiply this 7 into 60. You can get 420 seconds. Okay, up to this clear. Next data, the distance is given. The distance D is 6.3 into 10 to the power of 10 meter. We have to calculate the speed. So how do you calculate the speed? Speed is nothing but the distance traveled by time taken. Here we are sending the radar signal. So the distance is 2D divided by T. Okay. So substitute the value. D is equal to 6.3 into 10 to the power of 10 divided by T is equal to 420 seconds. 3 into 10 to the power of 8. What is the unit for speed? Meter per second. Okay, so we are just converting the minutes into seconds, and D is given. Substitute all the values in the well-known formula. Speed is equal to 2D by T. Why I am saying 2D? Because we are sending radar signal. So instead of D, substitute 2D. Substitute the values. You can get the result as speed is equal to 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Up to this clear? I hope this video is useful to you. If you like my video, please share and subscribe my video. Thank you.